Hi there. In our last section, you learned inverse of matrix. In this section, you are going to learn how to use the inverse of a matrix to find the solution of a systems of linear equations. So let's begin. Systems of linear equations. Let's consider a system of linear equation as a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. As you can see, I have two linear equations in x and y. In order to solve the systems of linear equation using the inverse of a matrix, I need to create a coefficient matrix and then the matrix of a constant as well as variable. So my coefficient matrix is A, which is A1, B1, A2, B2. I got A1 and B1 from first equation. They are the coefficients of x and y. A2, B2 is from the second equation and they are the coefficient of x and y respectively. Where x is a matrix of variable x and y and B is a matrix of constant C1 and C2, which is right here. What we need to do, we need to set up a process where we can use these matrices to find a solution of the system of linear equation. So let's create a system. I'm going to write a system of linear equation in matrix form, which is Ax is equal to B. So I'm going to bring matrix A from here to here, matrix X from here to here, and then matrix B from here to here. So if I do that, my expression will be matrix A, matrix X, and then matrix B. If we simplify this expression, we will exactly get the linear equation. A1x plus B1y and then A2x plus B2y, and this is equal to C1, C2. Technically, this is another way to write the systems of linear equation altogether. Okay, now let's figure out how we can use this system of linear equation to solve and find the value of x. So I can write, now I need to find the inverse of matrix A, and when I multiply I can get the value of x. So let's substitute the values. As you can see, x is matrix xy, A inverse is matrix A inverse, and then B is my matrix B. What I need to do, in order to find the values of x and y, I need to find the inverse of the matrix A, and then that matrix will be multiplied by the constant matrix, and eventually I will get the value of x and y. This is how we use the inverse of matrix to solve the systems of linear equations.